Hey there, savvy shoppers! If you love saving money while shopping online, you've probably heard of Rakuten. But is it really worth your time? Today, I'm diving deep into the pros and cons of Rakuten so you can make an informed decision. First off, let's talk about the pros. Rakuten is super easy to use. You just sign up, shop through their portal, and earn cash back on your purchases. It's that simple. They partner with thousands of retailers, so chances are your favorite stores are on there. One of my favorite things about Rakuten is their welcome bonus. When you sign up and make a qualifying purchase, you get a nice chunk of change just for joining. Who doesn't love free money? Plus, they have regular promotions, so you can maximize your savings. Now, let's flip the coin and talk about the cons. Sometimes, the cashback rates can be a bit low. It's not always a huge amount, and it can vary depending on the store and the time of year. Also, you have to wait a while to get your cash back. Rakuten pays out quarterly, so you won't see your savings immediately. Another thing to consider is that you need to remember to shop through the Rakuten portal. If you forget, you miss out on the cashback, which can be a bummer. There is a browser extension that helps with this, but it's one more thing to remember to install and use. Overall, Rakuten is a great tool for saving money if you shop online frequently. It's easy to use, partners with tons of retailers, and offers some nice bonuses. Just keep in mind the cashback rates and payout schedule. So, is Rakuten worth it? I'd say yes, especially if you love getting a little extra cash back on your purchases. Remember to use the portal or browser extension, and you'll be on your way to saving. Click on the link in the description below to sign up or try Rakuten today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Happy shopping!